Hello everybody, Rickadale here. Just another collection again this month of the new things I was able to acquire. First one here is a standard 3x3 with just some different symbols on it. I think it's a Mahjong cube, somebody told me. A generic Hello Kitty puzzle, 3x3. A cube called a Crooked Cube, just a sticker variant of a square one. Another 4x4, I believe this was a ghost hand 4x4. A 5x5, a Tetra Pyramid, a super square one, a 2-layer super square one, a Octacube, still sealed, a Trapagon, it's still sealed, a K-Brain, got that for $1 yesterday, awesome, still sealed, a Magic Triangle puzzle, just a paramorphics, and some 2x2 soccer balls. Well, that's it for this month. Have any questions, as always, you can just contact me, email me. Well, that's all. Have a great day. Goodbye.